Hello, welcome to Gladytech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to set up TikTok ad manager and business accounts. TikTok ad manager is a platform that allows users to create, manage, publish ads for TikTok. To use TikTok ad manager, you need a business account on TikTok. It's actually a tool for marketers to advertise and promote their product. TikTok ads can be signed up on mobile phone and also on PC. So if you want to do that, the first thing you have to do is to go to any browser of your choice. For this video, I'm going to make use of Chrome. For tiktok.com, scroll down and look for advertising on TikTok. Click on it. So it's going to take you to this phase where you have to log in with your email or use your phone number and enter your password. Or if you don't want to use your email and your password, you can just click on login with TikTok. So you select any of the method you want to use. If you want to log in with, you use your phone number or your email or your username. If you don't want it, you can make use of can continue with your Facebook, continue with your Google, or continue with your Apple. So I'm going to make use of phone. So I just have to enter the phone number that I use and register my TikTok account. So you just have to obey some little instructions like this. They say select two objects that are same shapes. So I just have to click on the two objects that are same shapes and click on confirm to confirm my decision. So a code was sent to my phone number. I just have to type in the code. So I just have to click on continue. So this is my profile, and I just have to click on continue in order to agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. Now the next thing I have to do is to create a new TikTok business account. I just have to enter the email I want to make use of here, and also a verification code will be sent to this email, which I have to copy and paste. So to get the code for my email, I just have to confirm that I'm a human by selecting the same object shape here and confirm my decision. Click on confirm in order to confirm my decision. So I have copied code from my Gmail account and also paste it here. So the next thing I have to do is to click on confirm. After entering the code that was sent to your Gmail, you just have to fill in these details. Enter the name of your business, the website, your country, your phone number, and click on continue. Immediately it will be sent to TikTok. So within 24 hours, TikTok is going to confirm your business account. I hope this will help you to set up your ads manager on TikTok. If this video was helpful, do want to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.